Right, let's talk about architecture graphics looking like a collage of images. So why do you need to know this? Because you need to make your layout sheets look interesting, and there's no other way of creating, consistent uh, di- displays or designs or graphics than by using the collage. Let's have a look at the image here. We've got two elements, a cube and a spiral element. I think, as you can see, we've got a horizontal dominant, we've got a vertical dominant at the third, we've got a visual path this way, and another batch of vertical dominants this way, with the volumetric, opposing to this one here, which is flat. You can also have a bit of geometry which stays intentionally at line level, right? So it doesn't compete with the other volumes. Optionally, you could add a material on top of which the 3D volumes can sit. In this case, it's marble, right? And yeah, this is the final layout, which you can see is quite complex, and it definitely beats just showing two volumes on a sheet, on a display sheet, right? This is the type of graphics that you want in architectural drawing. It's all made up, it's all skill set. Cool, talk to you soon. Take care, draw nicely.